Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mix roll. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of oil, and a pinch of sugar. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple list will set you up for success in creating delicious mix rolls right in your own kitchen. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of sugar. Gradually pour in the 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of oil, mixing until a soft dough comes together. Knead this dough for about 5 to 7 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. Then, cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. This step is crucial for a tender roll. With our dough rested, it's time to shape our rolls. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Roll each piece into a thin, 6-inch circle. Now, for the fun part, add your favorite filling to one half of the circle. You can use anything from spiced vegetables to minced meat. Carefully fold the other half over and press the edges firmly to seal, ensuring no filling escapes during cooking. Finally, let's cook these delicious mix rolls. Heat a non-stick pan or griddle over medium heat. Place 1 roll onto the hot surface and cook for about 2 minutes on each side. As it cooks, brush a 1/4 teaspoon of oil onto each side to help it crisp up. Continue cooking until both sides are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Serve them hot and enjoy your homemade mix rolls.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.